What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dream Media Home Theater, and today I am going to be discussing the Sonance system that is perfect for a large backyard situation or going around a pool. Basically, this whole backyard solution is, they're like little satellite speakers up here behind me that allow you to get better dispersion and better bass response, just a better full audio experience throughout your backyard. If you would like to purchase this product, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee, and we do have local installers in your area that we could hook you up with. If you guys are one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. All right, let's check this system out. So obviously this is our demo room, but if you were to have a backyard, these are the speakers right there. What you would do is have these guys in spikes either in your garden beds or around the pool, or you could have them mounted to the fence or in a tree or up above your cabana. But you can see in this space it's filling the entire showroom, just like it would fill your entire yard. And there's also direct burial subwoofers that you can purchase as well. They go right into the ground. Here's the, I don't know, oh, we do have the sub hooked up, it's right over there. But here's kind of a quick glance of what's included in the Sonance system from Sonance. You get 8 sat speakers and the direct burial sub. And you can use this with any AV receiver. Here's the subwoofer. You can see we kind of have it emulating being put into the actual ground, but nice little mushrooming, gives you a nice bass. Bass is something that in a lot of systems is lost outside, just because you're using a 2-way or 3-way speaker that just has either woofers, tweeters, or maybe a bass radiator if you spend a little bit more. But this system is going to give you really nice dispersion as well as a full audio experience. So I'm going to go ahead and have the guys crank it up and show you what this thing can do. Alright guys, so you can hear that the dispersion is legit. You're gonna hear it throughout the entire yard. Very clear. This isn't even gonna sound as good as it would in a backyard because we got sheetrock and concrete floors. We got a lot of reflective surfaces, but this kind of just gives you an overview of the system. Another thing that you can do is integrate it into a control system, like say Sonance, for example. So like down here, down below, you can have a little Sonance piece that allows you to integrate in the backyard system into the rest of the home. So no matter where you walk in your home, whether it's your master bathroom, your theater room, your game room, your kitchen, or the backyard, you're gonna have really nice dispersion, great sounding audio, which is what we aim for here at Dream Media, is to give you that dream experience. So if you would like to purchase this product, make sure you give us a call or shoot us an email. We'd be happy to help you out and create a system for you. If you like the video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Until next time, this is Zach, Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.